I need to get back to posting videos. And this one here, these are the remnants. Except for the Cadillac bumpers back there that is stacked on. These are the remnants of what I am currently doing. And in my favor, this is a collision job. So I was able to take the front end off because it was getting replaced anyway. I had to re-bolt it up to do a check on the engine condition. And nope, it failed. Car had overheated. These things hold no coolant at all. If you know you've leaked coolant, you got to shut it down. Well, this one didn't shut it down. It even has a code for a burned out oil temp sending unit. Well, the head's coming off, and I've got most of it off. It's almost ready. Know that you can get the timing cover off. It's got a chain. You can get it off and access chains, but it's got a 3-piece oil pan. It's got a tin bottom, just like a transmission, and then it's got a lower section, and this lower section has to come off before you can get the timing cover off, because it has the oil pump driven by the front crank, and the oil pump is connected down into the lower section. So yeah, lower section has to come off, and when the lower section comes off, there's all your motor mounts. The only thing left is the center mount for the transmission. That's the only thing left. So this is my rig. This is what I came up with to support the motor while I've got the oil pan off and while I've got the head off. So tomorrow, get the bottom oil pan off, get the timing cover off, get the chain off, and then get the head off to the machine shop.